Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a line chart on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a line chart on your Canva mobile? Just going to show this video. First, step 4, click on the element section on the bottom section, and here you just need to search as line element or line chart on the top. So you can find a true option called line and line chart. Click on the line chart option, then you can find it automatically. It will be insert the line chart. Otherwise, just click on the element section first and just swipe to the bottom section, and here you can find a charts. And here you can find this chart on the top. Just click on this. The line chart has been inserted. Now you can just change the data. For an example, just going to change this data to a 70, and you can see the updation directly. You can see the graph has been changed, and you can just add data on. You can just add more items by click on the add data. You can just insert the data from Google Sheet, or otherwise just close this and then click on the color options. So here you can find a different colors. You can just change the color range by clicking this easily, and then you can have a option to just click on this. You can just swipe to the side. You can find the line weight can be adjusted. You can see its visibility can be increased, and also the smoothing and a marker. If you just needed marker, you can just use this. You can increase the marker size too, and also the font and header size and font size, and you can have a lot other more options here. So this is how you just insert a line chart on your. Click on the edit option. You can just edit the data, and setting here you can click. You can have all the other options. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.